Today we will be installing the Fox steering stabilizer for the 01 to 10 GMHD trucks. Start by removing the two skid plates under the vehicle to access the stock steering stabilizer. Now remove the bolt on the side of the stabilizer connected to the cross member. Then remove the bolt connected to the center link. Using a pry bar, remove the old stabilizer from the truck. Now it is time to install your new Fox stabilizer. Using the provided stud that comes in the kit, you will install it and tighten it down to set the taper. The taper should be set at 30 foot-pounds. Next, you will install the body side of the stabilizer onto that stud you just finished installing. Now connect the other side of the stabilizer to the cross member. Now cinch everything down. Everything should be torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Now that everything is tight and installed correctly, you can throw your skid plates back on the truck. For any questions, call or click online at kryptoniteproducts.com.